Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto Razr 2024 for Straight Talk. So the Moto Razr 2024 is now here at Straight Talk for $399.99 for retail price, or it's $16.67 a month for 24 months with Smart Pay there. It's available in the gray color option there. So yeah, this is pretty cool. This is the first Razr to ever be on Straight Talk. I'm most positive about that. Looks like they got like some type of maybe a deal going on here or something, or just in general here. It says, don't miss the phone worth flipping for. Experience the new Moto Razr and connect it to a silver unlimited plan for $45 a month. Alright, so yeah, I don't think it's like any deal or anything. It's just like I think it's just in general there. So yeah. So anyways, here's the new Moto Razr. This is the regular Razr. There's the plus version, but this is just the regular Razr here. There's your internal display. There's the cover screen there. Very nice. There's the cover screen there. There it is when it's completely open. You know, all points to the front facing camera there. Power and back keys on the right side of the phone there. Flip the script. Intelligence inside and out. Introducing Moto Razr. Now with a 2.4 times larger, fully functional external display. This massively functional 3.6-inch screen lets you see more and do more without even flipping open its iconic design. Featuring Moto AI, you can interact, capture, and create in new ways and at multiple angles, and watch movies on the 6.9-inch nice POLED screen with Dolby Atmos sound. Flip forward with the new Moto Razr. Alright, there's the phone front, back, and when it's solidly open there. So very nice looking phone right there. Alright, specs: the Moto Razr is obviously 5G compatible. You have 4G, LTE, 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi here. It says dual band Wi-Fi here. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Wi-Fi 8 to 11, APG and AC, CDMA, obviously Verizon towers. Dimensions when the phone is opened is 2.91 inches width, 6.74 inches height, and 0.28 inches depth. When the phone is closed, it is 3.48 inches height, 2.91 inches width, and 0.63 inches depth. Main display 6.9 inches, nice, Full HD Plus POLED display. The external display is 3.6 inches, that's also POLED. GPS talk time up to 1 day to 6 hours. 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of ROM. The Moto Razr weighs 6.63 ounces. What comes with the Moto Razr obviously is the Moto Razr Type-C charging cable, some ejection pin, quick start guide there. Features 3.6-inch external display. Do even more, from getting help with Google Gemini app to playing music using the fully functional 3.6-inch external display. Endless ways to capture. Explore your creativity with Flex View using the phone like a camcorder. 7 into a personal photo booth and snapping hands-free selfies. All-day battery life. Go a full day and night with a 4200 mAh battery. Fuel up fast with turbo power 30-watt charging and charge wirelessly. Iconic flip design redefined. Choose from one trend colors and soft vegan leather with a durable, compact, and comfortable design. Next gen 50 megapixel camera system. Capture stunning photos in any light and ultra smooth photos on the move with Moto AI. More powerful stereo sound. Listen with 20% louder speakers and enjoy sounds from any direction with Dolby Atmos featuring spectacle audio. So that is very nice there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto Razr is now hit Straight Talk. It's available now. $399.99 for retail price, which is, I can't believe that's the retail price here. It's more than that, and like the full retail price is like more than that. That's kind of interesting that Straight Talk got it for $400. But nonetheless, here it is. First time the Moto Razr has ever been on Straight Talk, so check it out now if you guys are interested in the Moto Razr. Worth checking out. Very nice looking phone, great specs and features for what it is. The cover screen is huge as fuck, so yeah, definitely worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.